Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a new swatching first impressions review for you guys, and this time it is about a different brand of gel polishes. And here you can see it was actually packaged really well. So it came in this same box and there's like bubble wrap all over the place, and these three items I was able to receive by EC Cosmetics. They're also known by ecnail.com, and they're also like on Facebook and all that jazz. So they have a lot of like social media stuff, and they are on AliExpress as well. So I just chose three colors of the one step gel polish. They all contain 10 milliliters each, and there are 15 shades to choose from. So you can actually see all the ingredients as well as warnings on here, so you don't want to put it in direct sunlight or LED or UV light and all that jazz. And also be really careful around kids with stuff like this, because before you know it they will like swallow it or like stick it in their mouths or anything like that, and you really don't want that. So do be careful if you are a mother with young children, and just make sure you keep it out of reach of your kids. So here you can see me unpacking the three colors, and I've got 455, 485 and 441. And they're all from the same collection, so they're the one step polishes. And I'm going to swatch all of these on forehand prepped swatch or like practice nail. So I just buff up or roughen up the area I'm going to apply the gel polishes. That's just so the gel polishes has something to really stick to. And all of these polishes are like a one-step gel, so you don't need a base or a top coat for this. And they are also curable in LED in just 30 seconds, which is really quick. So first up we have a beautiful green tone, which is number 441. And let's just check how that one looks. It is kind of like a sea green kind of color. So it isn't like neon green, but it is a regular green with a little bit of blue in it. So I really feel like this looks like the ocean or just sea and stuff like that. And here you just see me applying one good layer of that polish, and of course making sure to cap off that edge as well. I know this is just a practice nail, but I prefer doing this for my practice nails as well. And after that you just want to cure it in the light for 30 seconds. And I don't have an LED light from this brand, so I'm just using the one I have from another brand, which I totally love. It works really well, and this is an LED light, so you just have to cure it for 30 seconds. And here you see me checking if it is still sticky or hot or anything like that, but it's actually good to go in just 30 seconds. And that color is just beautiful. I really love how this looks. So I'm just going to apply 2 coats of all 3 of these colors, because I always apply 2 coats to my own natural nails as well. Even on my nails right now, on my right hand, I have like a gradient, like a streaky gradient with rhinestones, which are also gel polishes from another brand. And on my left hand I just have regular nail polish, because you know me, I have 2 different kind of nail polish or gel polish hands. But yeah, this shade 441 is really beautiful. I really love it. I really do like that on the top you can actually see the number and the color, but the color isn't really like the same as it is on the nail. I think the one on the nail is way more prettier, but it gives you a decent indication. So next up it is color 455, which is the only glitter polish in this collection so far. And of course it contains 10 milliliters, and here you can see their Facebook and their website as well as the ingredients and the warnings. So let's just check this one out. I'm really curious about this one, and while I was filming it, it actually was a decent first impression. I hadn't opened any of these on forehand. I did receive them a little while ago, but I had like a small holiday and work got kind of hectic, so I was a little bit too busy to record it, but I didn't like take a quick sneak peek or anything. This actually really is a decent first impression swatch and review video, so this is the first time just me checking it out and using it as well. So 455 it is a beautiful medium pink with like silver and darker pink glitter in it. There also are some chunkier silver glitters, which I really like. It really makes this gel polish super unique. And this one is also one you don't need a top coat or a base coat for. So all three of these gel polishes are like non-wipe. You don't need a base coat, you don't need a top coat, and you only have to cure them for 30 seconds. I'm just so amazed by that. I didn't even know there were gel polishes that only needed to be cured for 30 seconds. I was like, 30 seconds, it's like a speed cure or something like that. I don't know. But just look at that color, and this is just 2 thin layers. So I really like the color of this. I really love the sparkle. I really hope that they will actually come out with more glittery gel polishes, especially from the one step gel polishes, because this is just stunning, and I can't wait to see what other colors they actually have with glitter later on. So the third one is 485, and that is like a neon green. And you know me, I'm not really like a green loving kind of girl, but I really wanted to pick colors which I wouldn't wear like on a daily basis, but I really like my gel polishes to be super unique, because I have a ton of normal nail polish and I have like every color of the rainbow. It is insane. But for gel, I'm fairly new to gel polishes, and I just really want to get a little bit crazy and a little bit out of my comfort zone and just pick a beautiful green shade. And this one is so neon, it is gorgeous. And you guys know me, I love my neon colors. So here I'm applying one coat, or at least the first coat, to this practice nail, which I have already buffed on forehand, just to make sure to get rid of like the surface shine and stuff like that. And on your natural nails you want to do that as well, but always be gentle while buffing your natural nails, because you don't want to damage your nail plates. And this is the first layer, again completely cured in only 30 seconds in the LED light. I love that fact so much. Sometimes you just don't have enough time to do your nails, so gel polishes which cure even faster than normal gel polishes is really awesome in my opinion. And here you just see me applying the second layer. You actually don't need much product at all, which is a big plus in my opinion as well. And after just half a minute, this second layer is completely cured as well. I really love that so much. And this color is just stunning. As I said, I'm not particularly like a green loving kind of girl, but this green is really gorgeous. I love it so much. So that was the last color, 485, really beautiful. Do check out the other colors as well. Check out their AliExpress. I will link that down below in the description box, as well as on my blog. And yeah, here I'm just showing you the 3 colors that I picked. There actually are a ton of colors. There's just one glitter, which is the 455. But there are a lot of creamy shades and also some metallic ones. And I think I'm actually going to buy that metallic-y silver one, which is in this collection as well, because I'm really curious about that one. And they are really inexpensive as well. Like while I'm filming, these gel polishes, the 10 milliliter one-step one, are only €1.31, which is to me like super affordable. It's even more affordable or less expensive than a regular nail polish, so that is a big plus in my opinion. But just look at those shades. I can't even pick a favorite one, because I really love my glitters, but the 441 is stunning, a really beautiful sea green kind of one. But the neon, oh man, this is hard for me to just pick a favorite, so I just won't pick a favorite. How about that? But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to know anything about this brand, do let me know in the comments down below, and I can just send you all the information you want. I did get these sent for free just to check them out, so I'm not like weirdly about that. But yeah, I really wanted to thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time.